Good morning. I am Letitia with Soul's Bread Wisdom, and I am here doing a tarot spread because Venus has gone direct today. She's been retrograde since May, and we want to find out, what does Venus have in store? What energy is she bringing to us, to the Capricorns in particular, as she goes direct? Venus rules love, money, diplomacy, finances. So she is a big deal. So her going direct is a big deal. So we're going to ask the universe to show us what it is that Capricorn can expect with Venus going direct. Getting some smoke going here. Before I begin to shuffle. Universe and my dear ancestors, show us what Capricorn, sun, moon, and rising can expect from dear Venus going direct. Capricorn, sun, moon, rising, Venus 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 direct. Seven of Pentacles. Capricorn, sun, moon, rising, Venus direct. Show us, dear ancestors and universe, what it is that is in store for Capricorn as Venus goes direct. Please show us. Sun, moon, rising. Venus goes direct. Capricorn, sun, moon, rising. Capricorn, sun. I'm just going to take the top card. If the other cards want to come out again, they shall. Capricorn, sun, moon, and rising. Okay. So, this is for sure your card, your suit, Pentacles. This one. The King of Pentacles. We have Seven of Pentacles. The Moon card. The Hanged Man. Is it about love? Please clarify the Moon card. Please clarify the Moon card. Show me more on this situation for Capricorn. Sun, moon, and rising. Just communication. You feel that what you have put in is not yielding what you had expected. You feel that what you have put in is not yielding what you had expected. I feel that this has to do with business. Because Capricorn is about climbing to the top, becoming management, becoming leader, becoming director, pressing forward. And you've been working towards something, moving up, which is what Capricorn is about. I got to go to the top. I got to go get it. And what you have invested in, this career path that you have been on, is not giving you what you need. And you've been forced to be still. Now, Capricorn is a cardinal sign, rules the 10th house. 10th house ruler is at the tip top in astrology. So Capricorn wants to be at the top, but there are hidden forces. Hidden forces behind the scenes that are blocking you in your career. And no matter which way you try to climb to get to the top, you have been blocked and it's been hindered. It is your family connections that you have. 10 of Cups. It's your family connections that you have that have brought you to a place where you are not certain about what you want to do in your career. So in your career, you had determined, let's say for instance, you determined, I want to go to medical school. I say medical school because the Knight of Swords is here. Okay. And when I say medical school, Mars rules knives. And doctors are associated with knives and cutting. And this is just what is coming to my heart, so I trust it. So you decided you wanted to go into this particular field, Capricorn. You've invested time, you've researched it. You started out on the path to do this. It may not be medical school, but this is just what's coming to my heart and mind at this moment. And as you invested and spent time researching it, you started out, you're ready to go. But voices from the people around you who would normally be a support are holding you back. Hidden conversations. The energy of is the energy behind the scenes of people talking, and having conversations about you. People that you know and should be support system for you are causing you to be stuck, worried about what the others might be feeling. It's not even that you're worried about it. So much so, it's more so the fact that this energy is surrounding you. And do you know what I mean by that? What I mean, this system is over here talking. I hope it's not interrupting you. Mercury is retrograde. So I can say that much. So a lot of times when people have jealousy towards you, negative energy, this is what I'm talking about. negative energy going on behind the scenes, and the plan that you have invested in is hindering you from going forward and being able to accomplish what it is that you want to accomplish. It is your goal to be over here, sitting as the King of Pentacles, able to be stable, to have accomplished your goals and your dreams, which is a lofty dream, a powerful one, that would have you as a powerful communicator, speaking and leading, boldly going out. But this energy that is surrounding you, probably where you are living, the people, the energy that is there is an energy that is this Neptunian, in the clouds, not moving energy that is around you. It's really the people around you. You know, I hate to say that, but I have to tell the truth. A lot of times the people that are around you can cause you not to be able to move forward. It can cause you to be stuck. Okay? And if it be so, it is your responsibility as a Capricorn, as a powerful leader that you are, the powerful leader that you are meant to be, the rock of stability, the boss, okay, powerhouse that you are meant to be. It is your responsibility to move yourself out of this stagnant energy. People around you who do not dream like you do, people around you who do not have goals like you do, people around you who don't have this dream of success, who are not talking about making investments, who are not talking about going to school to become a doctor. People are not talking about going to school to become a psychologist, a psychiatrist. People who are not talking about ownership of land and gaining resources and building community. People around you who are stuck in fantasy worlds, just dreaming in la la land, not moving forward, not moving back, just stuck, not accomplishing anything. People who like to talk big, people who or like I said, just dreamers and not knowing which way that they are going or don't have a plan, can block you, because everybody has energy and everybody has a there is an energy around each person. So if you have someone around you who has a stuck and a stagnant or even a toxic energy, they will block you. So it's up to you to use this Queen of Swords energy to move yourself out, to cut away the foolishness. So Queen of Swords has been through a lot of things. She's a smart lady, and she is able to decipher intellectually, logically, this person that is around me has not done anything. They have just been talking. They sit around, they don't do anything, they're stuck, they don't have any goals or dreams. And as I'm talking about my goals or dreams, they are secretly hating me for it, not wanting to see me go forward, and their energy being around me is blocking me and causing me to be stuck too. So it is up to you to use your mind, to put logic into play. 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2 is 4. And if I stay here, I'm going to end up in the same boat that these naysayers are in, these dreamers are in. I'm going to end up in the same boat that these dreamers are in. So it's up to me. Because I was born to be a king, Capricorn. I was born to be at the top of the rock. I was born to be a leader. I was born to move out. I was born to have great things and do great things and be a leader in my family and in my community. And in order for me to do that, I got to take the bold step and I got to hurry up and move myself out of this craziness. Or I will keep seeing that the things that I'm investing in are not yielding me any fruit, because the spiritual energy around me is one of a dreamer, is one that's stuck, it's not doing anything, it's secretly holding me back. All right, Capricorn, thank you so much for listening. If you want to talk to me, I'm at info@soulsbreadwisdom.com. Thank you.